Well, howdy and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I got my friend Holly over here.
Hiya!
And we're celebrating something special. Dolly! It's Dolly's birthday, let's make a cake! We're gonna make a tiger's blood dump cake.
But what's tiger's blood?
Have you ever had Hawaiian shaved ice? Well, tiger's blood is one of the best flavors. It's a combination of 3 things: strawberry, coconut, and watermelon. It's great! You need to spray a baking dish. Strawberry pie filling. Cheers.
Dump. Shredded coconut.
Dump! Well, Holly, we got this Dolly coconut cake mix.
Jim, I just love dumping, but you might do it better.
Let's try it. Next, we need to add watermelon. I'm using watermelon soda, Mountain Dew Major Melon. We just need a cup of it drizzled on the top.
Ooh, that's a major dump.
Sure is. And now we just bake it at 350 for 40 minutes. It's out of the oven, time to make the topping. For the topping, you just need 2 ingredients. Some whipped topping.
And wild watermelon drink mix. You can get it at the store. Ooh.
Holly, you just have to dump and spread.
Sprinkles for Dolly.
Birthday party! Scoop for you.
Scoop for you.
Happy birthday, Dolly. What do you call the sweat on Dolly Parton's chest?
Mountain Dew.
What do you call...
Sprinkles.